Okay guys, so what I'm doing here is I am drawing the templates here. After that, I'm going to weld them up to become something like this. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. Cutting this with a angle grinder with a cutting wheel on it. And once I finish this, I'll show you how it looks like. Okay, so this is what I did. Tack this, tack that, tack this, tack that. This is how the canister looks like, the jerry can. Comes out of here. Okay, so this thing's gonna go in like this. It's gonna have a handle that comes up here, or a little thingamajig that comes up here, and then another thingamajig that comes here, and there's gonna be a latch right here. It's a plate actually, and I'll show you how it looks like. So I'm gonna weld this side just like how this side was welded. Okay, and this side. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is what I did. I tacked this and this plate together. Okay, so now I'm going to tack this plate, which is going to be going here. Okay, but to do that, I'm going to have to bomb this canister. Canister here. And I need to lock it. Okay, so as you can see, that wasn't so hard. Tack, tack, and I tacked everywhere. Okay, so I'm gonna finalize my weld here, and that's that. And I'm gonna fast forward this so you can see what I'm doing. Okay guys, so it's done. This thing goes here. And this thing goes here. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to weld two arms that comes up here. Okay, like that. Then I'm going to make a latch that locks it here. And that's what I'm going to do. Okay guys, so I got these bolts here and drilled through the butt there a little bit so that I could weld. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put the stick inside there, weld around it, and then I'm going to put it right here. Okay, so I'll show you how it looks like after I'm done. Okay guys, so this is what's going on. As you can see this, I tacked this into place. I drilled a hole through here, made this into a little lever. Under here I'm going to have my brother or my cousin lay a plastic or rubber piece down here, and then that way it won't scratch this. Here, it's a temporary thing. This nut will hold this thing into place. Okay, and I'll show you how this thing works. This thing comes up. This thing goes up like that, right? And then you could take the thingy out. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna weld this in place. And I'm gonna take out this bottle. Okay, and I'm gonna put it right here in the holder. Okay, so I'm gonna weld this in place right here and that in place. Okay, so it's done. It is done. I'll show you how it looks like. So this thing right here, okay, this thing right here goes like this. This thing right here locks it up. There you go. Okay, and where is that thing? So right now, this is good enough. This thing locks this gas tank in place, and it will never, ever, ever fall out. See? Look there. Okay, see that? That's that, guys. I'm gonna do that to the other one. Okay, guys, so it's built. The bad boy is built. Made this little handy dandy lever so I can, do that. The reason why the bolt here is drilled is so that I can put a lock here, a small lock, to prevent thieving here as well. Okay, so everything here is made from scratch, and it looks really, really fine. Now it's the mounting process. I'm gonna use this right here. Okay, and this bad boy here is gonna be mounted right here. Okay, one tank goes here. Okay, and the other tank goes here. Guys, so I tucked this here. This is a mock-up here, as you can see. All right, I'm almost there. No cigar yet, though. Okay. No cigar yet. Okay, guys, so it is done. Now all we have left is for my cousin to get it painted. Looks very nice. Here is a quartering shot. Okay,